Oh no, I have to tell Dad something. Dad. Yeah, Michael? There's a tornado warning, and it was saying that it will touch down Kansas City. That's right where we are living. I'll tell Jessica. Jessica. Yeah? There is a tornado warning. We have to seek shelter. It'll touch down Kansas City. We have to tell Dad. Wait, I told Dad already. Oh, you always do things earlier than me. Anyway, I have to do homework. Tell me when the tornado will be. I'm so scared. Wait for me. I also have to do homework. I don't actually believe my kids that there's a tornado. I'm gonna listen to the radio though. There's a tornado touching down Kansas City. Touching down? Oh no, 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 no! I'll see the weather. Alright, Ethan. Wait, I have to check the date. I'm feeling that we have to go to school today. What are you talking about? I mean, today's 1st September, Friday. Wait, it's the first day of school? Yeah. Oh, God. What are you doing? I heard you from the other room. Sorry, I'm searching something not for you. No, it's not here. Maybe it's in here. I'll go check on Dad. Dad, are you alright there? Yes, wait, I'll take some food. In case of a tornado. The tornado siren! No! Dad! Are you hearing this? Yes, I do. Where do we hide? Down, go down. Quick, down. It's time. Let's go quick. Wait for me. Oh my God, I'm scared. Quick. Now! Quick, sister! Oh, there's lightning! Yes. After a while in the shelter, it passed over us. Ooh. Our house is not touched. Yes, Dad, we're all safe. Ooh. Sorry I ate all the food, but we're all safe. That's good. Family hug. That's sad that Mom isn't with us. Yeah, and I haven't even finished my homework from the last year, from the year 6, because I'm going in year 7. Oh, I wish we had Mom. But she was in work today. I don't know. That was the place that the tornado touched, like, really touched down. She might be dead now. But great we have you, Dad. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hope you like the skit. Bye.